Niliwanag ni AFP Chief of Staff General Ricardo David ang sitwasyon ng sandatahang lakas na Pilipinas sakaling lumala ang gyera sa Korean Peninsula at mangyari sa atin ang kahalintulad na pambobomba ng North Korea sa South Korea, ay handa ang ating AFP na ipagtanggol ang ating soberanidad kahit na palakol ang gamit ng kasundalohan ay lalaban tayo.
The armed forces, whatever is available resources, will put into bear whatever is the threat that we will be facing. We have brave and courageous soldiers. That's why we need to modernize, and this is being addressed by our Congress, and we hope that in the succeeding years we can acquire ample equipments, ample tools to defend ourselves.
So sir, parang hindi po ba natin kaya kung equipment wise hindi pa ganun ka-modernize
kaya natin. Kahit na yung tools lang natin, kahit na palako lang pwede natin gawin. We will defend ourselves on the available resources of your armed forces of the Philippines.
Ayon pa kay David, ang Armed Forces of the Philippines ay tatalima lamang sa kautusan ng ating mga political leaders at sa isinasaad na mandato ng ating konstitusyon.
I'm sorry. Matters that are happening among our neighbors are concern of the Philippine Republic. But these are matters of the policymakers. As far as the Armed Forces of the Philippines is concerned, we are ready. Whatever will be we undertake, that should be the decision of our policymakers. Your armed forces is prepared to help any nations, particularly under the United Nations bloc, troops or any undertakings particularly around near our shores.
Si AFP Chief of Staff General Ricardo David, RH 911, Bing Fermento ng DZRH Nationwide.